Welcome to day 10 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing noticing changing conditions. So go ahead and find a posture that feels supportive for your practice today. You could be seated upright, you could be lying down, or even standing with your back against a wall. Just a posture that feels supportive of you maintaining a relaxed posture and at the same time an alert posture. And I'll invite you to close your eyes, or if it feels more comfortable for you, you can keep them just a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor and just allowing the body to settle, arriving in stillness. And let's take a slow, deep breath in through the nostrils and releasing through the nostrils. Let the breath return now to its natural rhythm. Just sensing the breath moving through the body. And today we notice something simple through our meditation practice. We are observing how the nature of everything is impermanent. Everything changes. The breath changes, sounds change, emotions change, moods change, thoughts change. Even the body changes moment by moment. So you might notice how one breath is deep while another breath feels shallow. You might notice the changing texture of each breath. Some feel rough and others smooth. So simply resting in the awareness that knows these changing conditions. Taking that backward step into simply observing, noticing this breath and this one, and noticing all of the changing conditions of the body-mind as they arise, dwell, and pass. Noticing the changing conditions, the breath, the body, the moods, all experience like passing weather in the sky like nature of your awareness. The awareness remains the unchanging ground through which all of these changing conditions take place. Letting yourself settle right here, right now. Thank you for practicing with me on day 10 of our meditation challenge, and I hope that you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.